In this video, I'm gonna show you how to search Google by an image. First, open your Chrome browser. Then, in the search box, type in google.com. Then you will get to the official Google website. Then click on the images tab in the top and just switch to desktop site. Now you can see Google Images here, and there is a camera icon in the search box. Just click on that camera icon. Then just select upload an image. Then click on choose file button. Then go to your files and select your favorite image to search in Google. I am selecting a random image for this tutorial. Then just wait for a few seconds. Your file is being uploaded. Now you can see it says the search results for this image, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.